love your friends as much as you could because we're not getting any younger. Eventually, most of us will go into our separate ways. So while we still have today, make sure that it's a day to remember. Collect as many stories as you could to share one day. Love yourself on a deeper level and share it with the people around you. Say what you feel, don't keep everything inside. Time will never stop, and when you get older, you're gonna look back and miss it. So live in the moment and be free.
Good morning, welcome. So today we are going out with my friends, so I'll get dressed. As our breaks have started, this is the first time I'm gonna hang out with my friends, so today we'll be touring some places around town and I'll keep you updated. And you can also comment below about the contents you want me to vlog about. Many of my friends even suggested me vlogging about what I wear in a week, and this clip also includes some what I wear in a week stuffs. That is how forgetful I have become. Okay, now let's head out for some new adventure. Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today we'll be going out with my friends. Yeah, my friends. Ta-da! Yeah, I'll keep you posted. Bye bye. We are waiting for the rest of our friends to show up. While waiting for our friends, we went to try out the puchka store below Clock Tower. That store is like famous. You should try it out. Why are you so awkward around my camera? The best way to finish up your puchka is to just drink the soup at the end, only the soup. We wanted to try out this ice cream store in Clock Tower, but sadly it said that the machine was out of order. We got our ice creams. We are waiting for our another friend.
Wait, pushka에 있으면 집에? 왜 아이스크림 진짜 좋아해? 에? 이제서만 그 아이스크림인 거? 아다치.
While waiting for another friend of ours, we went window shopping. Yeah, that's basically what teenagers do. Yeah, this is us window shopping in Miniso. Sorry, the staff out there. Hello. We are headed to the new burger point out in town. Do check it out. We went into Burger Point. It was packed, so we went back to Good Vibes. Food has arrived on the table, and we got some toys as well.
You guys don't have fights? She doesn't have fights. She get those ones. Generally, no, it's in down.
Hi! We all wrote down something here, and check what I wrote. I also want to write something.
Don't subscribe. Don't subscribe. She's lying.
This is a scam. You will be scammed.
Shut up, guys!
Lying. She is an Indian scammer and she scams everybody for 500 of them.
She will not fix your computer virus.
She scams everybody. Hello.
You're just lying. Do subscribe to my channel.
She scammed me and
Subscribe to my channel. They all lying.
You got scammed, right?
You guys know something? As we were going out, we got something really interesting about Namgyal. Where is he? He's a famous person.
Shut up. You don't know me.
Knows you. He's that famous guy with Auntie Doichi Tomo in her TikTok live. Yeah.
Yeah, dropping.
Yeah.
This looks so hard.
Today is the second day of what I wear in a week, and today I'll just be staying at home after a long day outside. So yeah, let's get comfy and do some household chores or make something we like. Once in a while, I decide to make my own curry and enjoy the taste. So today I'll be doing that, and you can see this as a rough clip of my cooking. I don't know how it tastes, how it might taste to you all, but it tastes superb to me. This is like a short recipe you could even use, but yeah, depends on yourself. What should I say now? I'm confused. Yeah, I ran out of words. Anyways, working in the kitchen is sometimes scary. Look at how I do that stuff. What if the oil just bounces on my face? Oh, that's scary. And we're taking them out after frying them. I can't wait to taste it. You guys should come to my house on a random day if you want to taste my cooking. I can cook for you. Surely I'm not crazy. I hope I'm not crazy. Am I crazy? After a shower, I'm tasting what I cooked, and it tastes superb. The special event for today is we are going out for dinner. So yeah, I'll get ready for dinner. So today is basically like I'm wearing what I got for my birthday. Somebody is trapped in their own prison. While I was going through my treasure chest, I also found this. These are bracelets my friend makes by herself. I sound like an influencer right now, not so famous influencer, but yeah, you can contact her. She really makes best custom bracelets in this whole wide world. Yeah, this is my favorite flavor. Let's spray some perfume. Okay, yeah, we are done with outfit number 1, 2. Comment what you think about it. Okay, see you guys later. Today we'll be having an outdoor yoga photo shoot, so come along with me. It's not the same as it was. We went to Lutrong Park due to its very beautiful scenery. Instructing Mr. Happening. Just me trying to hide from all those yoga enthusiasts. Somebody save me. I got caught. Her leg is going out of the mat. Look, now she's flying. What all can this person do? What a big, beautiful temple. Ta-da-dang. I love this kind of tunnels. The lake looks so pretty. Today is the 4th day, and the event for today is we'll be visiting the arcade with my little sister. So yeah, come along with us and have some online fun.
I was there when I needed someone who wasn't getting over you. When I move to the side, when I move, call you mine, and I know what you're feeling. I'ma take you for a ride, let me take it off your mind, cause you know it's a season. And I move, and I move, and I move when I ride, and I move, and I move, and I move when I ride, and I move, and I move, and I move when I ride, and I move, and I move when yeah. I get so tired of making me take a night, predicting it's all that I'll do cause of you. I let you show, don't let you in on my
Ice cream. We are at clock tower taking shade under a tree. Yemin, Yemin. Today is our 6th day, and today I don't have any plans, so if something comes up I'll keep you updated. Yeah, let's get ready. These pigeons, I love them. They always gather around my mom's shop and we feed them. Guess who's with me today? I won't show you his face. You guess it. We went to the hospital to visit someone. After that, we went roaming around town to Kajatron, and we even met his ancestor. Sadly, we have reached to the last day of the week, and today I'll be going to my mom's yoga class as she's a yoga instructor. So this is the class she takes. That's her, the strict yoga teacher is walking towards me. Full-on yoga practices going on with our wonderful yoga teacher, showcasing all the yoga poses to help her students, and another form of help she does for her students. It really helps me stay fit. Yoga, it brings peace to my mind. And you guys know what? The view from this hall is like so beautiful. And our 7th day also ends. That's it for my vacation vlog. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel.